I am making baked beans today. These beans have a bit of a twist. As you may know, I live in Vietnam. Ingredients for my recipes are sometimes just not available. In this case, white navy beans I could not find, so I am substituting black beans. So keep watching to see how this works out. Let's get started. Place the beans into a covered pot. Add water to cover. Bring the beans to a boil and then simmer until tender. Remove, drain, and set aside. In a skillet, add the salt pork. Brown and render. Add the onions and sauté. Add the pork slices. Add salt and pepper to taste. Sauté until the pork is lightly brown. Add the pork-onion mixture to the reserved beans. Mix. Add mustard powder. Add ketchup. Add molasses. Add vinegar. Add 1 cup of water. Stir together and cover. Place in a 300-degree oven for approximately 2 hours. Remove and plate. It's delicious.